Over land, air, or sea, logistics gets things from point A to point B. From conveyor belts to forklifts to delivery trucks to airplanes, logistics refers to the process of storing and transporting goods from a manufacturer to the customer. It has two major functions: transportation and warehousing. Transportation management involves the planning and executing of the complex process of moving goods in the air and ocean, over rails and roads. It also involves optimizing shipment loads and routes, order management, freight auditing, and payment. Warehousing includes inventory management, order fulfillment, as well as infrastructure and process management. Large manufacturers usually own parts of their logistics infrastructure, but many companies outsource services to a third-party logistics provider, such as UPS, FedEx, DHL, and even the United States Postal Service. As the demand for quick and convenient delivery for, well, almost everything increases, AI and driverless technology are expected to play important roles in the future of logistics. Some providers already use AI to track packages and predict transportation problems. And autonomous vehicles like driverless forklifts, trucks, and drones will soon become more commonplace in warehouses and on the highways.